Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So as you start your journey on YouTube, this is probably something that's going to happen to you. You're like super excited to get your channel started. You have so many ideas, and the first people that you want to tell is your friends and family. And then when you tell them, they don't support you. Either they think you're crazy, or maybe they're like, yeah, you're going to do this YouTube thing. They don't believe in you. Or in the worst cases, they're really negative about your idea of really doing this YouTube thing. And the thing is, this is something that I think pretty much all of creators face whenever they go into this journey, and you feel like nobody's there to support you, because at the beginning, really nobody is there to support you. And a lot of times the reason why your friends and family might feel this way is for a variety of reasons. But the main reason that they are probably having these feelings is because they themselves have not been successful in YouTube, or have not even tried it. And so that's what you'll get most of the times. A lot of times if you're going on this YouTube thing and nobody around you has ever tried it, or most importantly ever been successful with it, they're going to have a lot of negative emotion towards it. That's just the reality. And a lot of times it's not always bad, but sometimes it's just genuine concern. Okay, so those are like some of the main reasons why they will not support you at the beginning. And this is something that I've actually encountered myself. And so that's why I feel like a lot of YouTube creators can actually relate with this. Now the thing is, once you get this started, the ones that are actually going to support you the most are people like you. Meaning strangers. People that you do not know from all around the world. And that's really mind-blowing, because if you've never done this stuff, once again, you would think that the people who you know the most would be the one who would support you the most, but that's actually the opposite. So what ends up happening is, whenever you start on YouTube, nobody will support you that you know at the beginning, and the people who do support you are people that you don't know, but over time they will become the people that you know the most, in terms of people who support what you do and who understand what you're trying to do. And then much later on, as you're having success on YouTube, then maybe your friends and families will turn around. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. So that's why I really feel that if you are going to be starting this journey, just pretty much expect that nobody's going to support you at the beginning. And the people who do support you are people right here, watching your videos, helping you improve what you're doing. And then over time, you will get a lot of other support, and it'll be all worth it in the end. That's my personal opinion. Just understand that at the beginning, as with most things, it's going to be really challenging, and you're not going to get the type of support that you want. But that's why I'm always grateful for all of you out here watching the channel and making sure that, these things are still going forward. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you have experienced this yourself, or maybe you had some of your own ideas about being a YouTube creator and getting support or not support, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.